Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically share folder from pCloud on successful order payment. So let us begin with a small example. So as you can see, we are going to work with three softwares. One is Razorpay and the other is of course pCloud, and then we have Gmail. So the idea is that a person called as Deris Moravik is filling the form. Once the payment is made by Deris Moravik, a folder that is present in pCloud, okay, this is the folder that is called as data entry, will be delivered to his email address. So let me just perform the experiment. So we have a guy called as Deris Moravik. His first name is Deris. The last name is Moravik. This is the email address where we will be sending the file present in pCloud. And this is the phone number and this is the amount. Let me just click on pay. Okay, we are going with card. See that these are the card details. And let me just click on pay. Skip saving card. Okay, and success. Okay, so as you can see, a payment has been made by a person called as Deris Moravik. So the idea is that the file, or I'm sorry, the folder that is present in pCloud that is called as data entry will be delivered to Deris Moravik. Okay, so let me just take you to the email profile of Deris Moravik. So as you can see, this is the message that Deris Moravik has received. So this is basically showing the user admin has shared the folder data entry with you. Excellent. So Deris Moravik is going to explore this folder later. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to automatically send the Razorpay data to pCloud? So basically here I have used an integration and automation software called as PabliConnect that integrates Razorpay to pCloud. Now the best part of using PabliConnect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. So basically, let me just show you the steps. So in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Just hover on products and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already created an account. So let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Razorpay to pCloud. Okay, Razorpay to pCloud. Okay, let me just correct the spelling. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally dependent on you. And let me just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So what's the deal with the trigger window as well as the action window? So when we are talking about automation in Pabbly Connect, it works on the concept of triggers and action. The trigger says when this happens, then you should be doing this. For example, if a new payment is captured in Razorpay, the action will be the file will be delivered from pCloud to Gmail. Okay, so basically using these two windows, we are going to create a workflow to integrate Razorpay to pCloud. Now there is something I have to tell you. After we have created a workflow that has integrated Razorpay to pCloud, I will make sure the link of this workflow is available in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account and begin your automation journey right now. Okay, so we are going with the trigger, and in the choose app, let me just add Razorpay. Okay, Razorpay it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as payment captured, payment captured, payment captured, payment captured. Okay, so basically the gist is we are trying to integrate Razorpay to Pabbly Connect to get the data when a payment is made in Razorpay. So let me just straight away take you to Razorpay. Okay, so we are going to begin the integration. So we are going to Razorpay and we have a set of instructions that we have to follow. So as you can see, it is asking that we have to go to settings and then to webhooks. So this is the dashboard, settings. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the webhooks that I have created. Now what's next? Now we have to set up a webhook. So this is how you do it. You click on this blue button and it is demanding for a webhook URL. So this is the webhook URL you want. You copy this and then you just paste it here. Okay, excellent. Then we have to ignore the secret. We also can ignore the alert email. Now this is the most important part, the active events. So let's say what instruction says about the active events. So it is asking that you should toggle the payment capture. You should actually check in this box, that is payment capture. Okay, That's pretty much obvious. Okay, so the idea is that whenever a new payment is made in Razorpay, it will send this data to this webhook URL. Excellent. So let me just click on create webhook. Okay, so the webhook has been saved successfully. So this basically means we have integrated Razorpay to Pabbly Connect. So the idea is that if someone makes a payment in Razorpay, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. Now it is already showing it is waiting for the data. All we have to do is just make a dummy payment. So let me just go to Razorpay, and we have payment pages, and I'm going to work with this particular payment page. Let me just copy this. This is the URL of the payment page, and open this in a new tab. Okay, now we are going to fill some details. So we have a guy called as Amy. Okay, and Amy Alexander. Okay, then we have the email address. So here I'm going to add the email address of this guy, Amy Alexander. So I'm just going to copy the email address. Okay, because the idea is that we are going to send the folder to this particular email address. Okay, so that is why I'm copying the email address. Okay, and I'm just going to paste it here. So the file will be delivered to this email address, and I will show it here once the integration is done. Okay, so that's the idea. And let me just add the phone number. Okay, and the payment amount is 1300, and let me just click on pay 1300. Okay, so we are going with the card. So these are the card details, and let me enter the CVV, skim saving card. Okay, and let me just click on success. Okay, so a payment of 1300 has been made by a person called as Amy Alexander. Excellent. So since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Razorpay, let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect, yes, we do have the details. So the event is payment capture. That's pretty much obvious. Then we have the total amount, that is 1300. That should be 1300. But as you can see, it has ignored the decimal, and that is why we have 2 extra zeros. It is actually none of your concern. You can just ignore it. Now we have the rest of the details, such as the phone number, the first name, the last name, and the most important part, the email address. So on this email address, we are going to send a folder from pCloud. And this is how you do it. In the action window, you're going to select it as pCloud. pCloud. Okay, excellent. Then we have the action event as send a folder, share a folder, this one, and simply just click on connect. We are going with a new connection. Okay, so let me just enter my email as well as the password. Now here you have to enter your email and the password with which you have logged into your pCloud account. So this is mine, and I'm not going to show you my details. Okay, so I have entered the details and I have clicked on save. So we have 3 fields: the path, the email, and the permission. So we are going to begin with the path. So as you can see, let me just straight away take you to pCloud, and let me just go to pCloud. So these are all the folders we have. Okay, so I'm planning to select one particular folder, and after we select the folder, we are going to enter the path. So let us begin from the scratch. So let me just create a new folder, and the name of the folder is Data 101. Okay, let me just click on create, and let me just upload a file, just a random file. Okay, so let me just upload a screenshot, and let me just open this. Okay, so the file is getting uploaded, and basically we are just trying to show everything from scratch, from creating a folder, uploading a file. Okay, so I think the file has been uploaded. Let me just minimize this. Okay, so this is the folder, and we have the file, that is screenshot2.jpg. So basically the idea is that we are going to send this particular folder to Amy. Okay, Amy Alexander. So that is why, first of all, let me just click here, and let me just copy this. This is the folder name. I have copied it, and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. So this is basically the folder name. Okay, now we want the address or the path. So the path is, all you have to do is just enter slash. So our path is ready, slash data 101. Okay, so that's our path. Now the email is basically this email address. Okay, this is something we have got from Razorpay, and we are just going to click here, and we are just going to click here, and let me just map the email address. So this is the email address, and we have mapped it. The permission, I'm just keeping it as read only, but it's totally upon you that you make some changes like create permission, modify permission, and so on. I'm making it as read only. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send this file to Amy. So let me do that. Okay, so the response is a positive one. So let me just straight away take you to the profile of Amy, and let me just refresh this. Okay, so this is the message from pCloud team, and this is the file. This is basically the folder that has been shared. So Amy is just going to click on accept invite, and she is going to view the folder. So the presence of this folder shows that we have a successful integration between Razorpay and pCloud. Now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Razorpay to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to pCloud. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Razorpay and pCloud. Okay, so not just these two apps, you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect and automate your business. The link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, if you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.